play Subway Surfers Subway City with this weird animal alien plant thingy. I have no idea what the hell is that. I always love these challenges, even the lava one. They're so fun actually. They literally give you the heart attacks or the chills in a sense. Like, yeah, it's fun. It's fun until you get the magnet, not the shoes. I mean, now I know how to control the shoes and use them effectively. Just notice the coins are green color and not like they're shiny. No shoe for me. Difficulty increased. They start pulling back the trains, I believe. Yeah. Sorry, not the trains. The compartment, or whatever they're called. Okay, subway, surface. You have done yourself. Go up, down. Spinny. Sleek. Sorry, I played a lot of BTI. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. It's so no. How do we remove this? Can I play again? Oh no. Can I play the normal game? Not right now. It's quite a carnival Hawaii focused kind of centric-ish. Not bad, not bad. I just love playing this game. This game always, it's been my favorite since childhood. I can't just replace it. I play some of the games too, which I like, but yeah, this is iconic. Simplicity of the game, yet so fun. And never get bored. I hear the word team. Well, the team would be proper if you guys subscribe, you know? Subscribe, share, like, enjoy the channel, watch more and more videos. I can dodge trains, but can you dodge my excellence? The jetpack, one of the best instruments in this game is the jetpack. Oh. Up, left, down. Oh. That's fun. Sorry, can't do stuff. I mean.